In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a button using a button press. So, first off with our button press, it has a left side and a right side. There are different supplies that go in each of them, and so we need to prepare those supplies first. So, you need to make your graphic and cut it out. You need also the clear plastic mylar and the shell. So on the left side, we're going to put the shell in first. It has a curved side and a sharp edge side. Make sure that the sharp edge side goes down. Then you're going to load in your graphic, making sure that the graphic is face up. And then lastly, you're going to put in your clear mylar disc. We're going to rotate this and then stamp the button. Make sure that it clicks down completely. And the button is going to be loaded into the center part of that stamp. Now we need to load the right side. We're going to load the right side with the collet. The collet has a curved side and a sharp edge side. Make sure that the curved side is down and the sharp edge is pointed upwards. We're going to rotate that over and then stamp this one more time. And there you go, it will put together your button. Now, the very last step in putting together your button is to put your pin in. Pay attention to which direction the pin is going, and then kind of like correspond that to the front side. And you're going to be very careful in kind of bending this inside of here, making sure that you don't stab yourself in the process. And there we go, we have our pin set into the back of our pin button. And you can pin that on whatever it is you like. So that is using a button press.